Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll resolve one error, that is no module name sentence transformer. So let's open the project. Like I'm working on the project and I'm facing that particular error. So let's open terminal here and we have to write python space app.py, then hit enter. So the error I'm facing, no module name sentence transformer. So for that solving that particular error, we have to first check out that Python is installed or not. So just click on the Windows key and then write edit environment variable. So just click on the edit the system environment variable and then click on the environment variable and double click on the path. So just check out that Python 3.10 is already installed to that location. So let's check out the location. Double click on that particular location and Control C, cancel, cancel, and let's close this. Now paste this location here and press enter. Now see 3.10 is already downloaded and script folder is there. Okay, so let's close that. Now we have to install one library. Let's open terminal here. Write pip install space hyphen min u sentence hyphen transformers. Then enter. So we have to download a particular sentence transformer, and this will be the command. So now it is downloading. It will download the torch transformers and typing extension scikit-learn pyyml file lock s5mpy, scroll down, empath, http core, neio. It will take time to download. Let's maximize the screen. Now downloading the exception group, installing collected packages, empath, tqdm, s5mpy, shift tensors, regex, pyyml, networkx, fspec, filelock, torch, tokenizers, transformers, and sentence transformer. Okay, now it is successfully downloaded. So this will be the solution of that particular error. We have to install this particular command, pip install -u sentence transformers. Okay, and let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. And if you find out, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching at project ideas, then you can also visit our website www.techieprojects.com, or you can contact us. I'll put the contact link in description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.